This dress doesn't look good on me. This doesn't suit me.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but this was what we discussed. If you all of you face this problem, then please raise your hands. Introducing Fashion Coder. Through this, we use a AI algorithm to create a virtual AI model of you in which you can actually see yourself wearing the clothes that you want to order before actually ordering them. Through this, we use personalized styling, color analysis, and location-based outfit customization. So our CVP is we help teens and adults discover the style that complements them through a personal AI fashion assistant, which provide outfit customization, color analysis, and virtual try-ons on your own personalized layout.
So the problems we aim to solve are color analysis. So when you do it physically, it takes a lot of time, it takes hours, plus it's really expensive. Our app offers color analysis for free, that too through AI, which will take 2 to 3 minutes.
Teenagers and young adults are naturally indecisive when it comes to online shopping. So, because what you order is not always the same as what you receive. And even if it is the same, then the style doesn't always suit you, right? Therefore, our app Therefore, our app gives VR models that dress up for you. So sorry.
कोई बताओ ऐसे नॉर्मली बोलो हिंदी में बोलो किसी में बोल दो यार कॉन्सेप्ट एक्सप्लेन करना है घबरा क्यों
We guarantee that you will receive what you customize by your size.
So our main competitors are StyleSync and DressUp AI. These apps offer a rough VR version of you trying on the clothes, but they don't actually manufacture the clothes that the AI tries on, and they're only an online app. While our app actually manufactures both Indian and Western clothes, which are VR tries, and our VR is more accurate as it takes your measurements and the full body scan. We also offer consultations with the fashion designers, and you can interact with the AI to fuse the style that suits you versus which the style the AI thinks will be the best on you. We are an app that offers everything in one, so it's easier.
So I know that you see this and you are impressed because I mean it is so impressive. The Met Gala this year introduced VR projections of the dresses of models and the celebrities. I mean, how cool is this? That is the VR model and that is the real life version of the models and the celebrities. This is the level of accuracy that we aim to achieve in our own app.
Our main targeting audience is our teens and young adults of India. However, we will be opening our brand in Mumbai as it is the fashion capital of India. Our share of market will be roughly 50 lakhs.
So, our brand mainly produces clothes for heavy occasions, for example, Indian weddings. Now, shops that provide outfits for these generally have a standard size on display so that people with extreme sizes can't really try them on. And they need to buy the fabric or go from shop to shop exploring the fabric. While in our app, if you just give us a picture of the outfit, our VR model can try it on for you. Our app has no limitations. It can try on any amount of outfits for you, and our AI can customize the outfit according to your wish. So that saves us the cost of producing surplus outfits and putting them on display, and also saves you the time from going to shop as you have unlimited designs through our VR.
The cost structure would be something like this. The cost of hiring a coder would be somewhere around 7 lakhs, and the quarterly cost of maintaining the website would be 13,000. The combined cost of hiring a fashion designer along with tailors would be 83,000. And the selling price and the cost of raw material would depend on the customer needs and satisfaction.
Our sales productions will be in 1 year we roughly want to conquer 5 to 8% of the market, and in 2 to 3 years 12 to 24% of the market. Thank you.
जो आपका ऐप है ना मैं रोज सुबह मेरे पास 60-70 जूतों की कलेक्शन है तो मैं सुबह बैठ के बहुत टाइम वेस्ट करता हूँ, इसलिए मैं हमेशा सोचता था कोई ऐसी ऐप हो कि वो पूरा कॉम्बिनेशन बना के दे दे।
Yeah.
जैसे